I've been getting hella invitations, filling out a bunch of screeners for focus groups and auditions. It's a new challenge. Book a focus group every single day for the rest of the month. So far, we're 5 consecutive days deep. Let's see how long we could go. Let's go.
You are now watching DJTV.
I was calling to see if you had any interest in being part of the paid portion of this study.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay, great. Well, thanks for answering my call, by the way. 2-hour webcam focus group.
Okay.
It looks like you're in Pacific Standard Time, so yours would be at 10:30 a.m. I called the right person today then. Okay, I'll just ask you if I'm going to give you some more details about the study and make sure it's a good fit, and I'll go down the list, and you can just say yes or no. The incentive for the 2-hour webcam focus group is $125. The incentive for the homework is $50. I'm going to go ahead and just get you on the schedule now. I appreciate you answering my call.
Just got to call me. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, buddy. Keto life. Keto tortilla right here. Oh, I just got a missed call. What the hell's this? Could be for another focus group, yo.
Hi, David. This is Karina calling from Opinions Ltd. This calling in regards to a study
Opinions.
that you already pre-qualified for.
Opinions Ltd. That's the one in Topanga Mall. Another focus group. If I book this, it's gonna be my 8th focus group next week.
Is it okay if I just go ahead and re-ask you the questions? Okay, perfect. And then how often do you eat microwavable rice?
Several times a week. Bullshit. I'm on keto. I mostly purchase organic foods, but I'm not opposed to regular ones too.
Okay, perfect. And then which of the following ranges best describe your annual household income?
50 to 75.
And then what is the highest level of education?
College grad.
So the dates for that one is March 17th through the 21st. The only time that is not available is 11 in the morning.
Let me look at my calendar real quick. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I'm available anytime that day.
March 17th?
Yeah.
Is it okay if I go ahead and schedule you at 2 p.m.?
Yep, that's fine.
Okay, perfect. Then we're just going to go ahead and schedule you at 2 p.m.
Okay, perfect. May I ask what the compensation for this one is?
It's going to be a $40 incentive cash. It's going to take about 1 hour, and then you're going to be trying, I believe it's like 7 different rices.
Cool.
But it may take shorter just depending how fast you answer the questions. Okay, perfect. See you then.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Perfect. Booked another focus group. But it's not next week, it's the week after. Had this focus been this coming week, it would be my 8th focus group for the week. So I got 2 on Monday, focus and testing in Calabasas, 2 on Tuesday, the Zoom one at 11 a.m. and the other Zoom one at 5 p.m. One from 2020 research, one from UI interviews. Then Wednesday with Addison research for the e-commerce business owner. Thursday is another one in Calabasas, focus and testing, and then one on Friday, an online one. So I got 7 focus groups this coming week already. I just booked that one the week afterwards, and I'm gonna be sampling rice. I'm on keto, but I don't have to eat the whole thing. Take 1 bite, form an opinion, whatever, and all this bullshit. $40 for an hour. Not bad. Just like that. Put it in my calendar here. Organic rice focus group. This is the one in Topanga Mall. I always get those confused. Facts and Figures is the one in Sherman Oaks Galleria. Opinions Ltd is the one in Topanga Mall. They're both in a mall, so I get them confused a lot. An hour long and 2 to 3 on my schedule. We got the potato chips taste test at 10 a.m. and then the hard seltzer taste test at 12. Both in the same place, so pretty convenient. Next day, the Zoom focus group, social media users, 11 a.m. to 12 noon, $100 PayPal. That's with user interviews. And then 2020 research is the vacuum sealer focus group, 4 to 5, $125. So I got 2 focus groups on Tuesday. Then Wednesday, I got the e-commerce business owner focus group, $100 for 2 hours. Also through Zoom. That's with Addison research. Thursday, I have another one with focus and testing. It's a juice taste test. Friday, another Zoom one. And then the week after, so far I booked one. The one on Wednesday, St. Patrick's Day. Organic rice focus group in Topanga Mall. Perfect. I'm on the grind right now, yo. So y'all gotta sign up for these focus groups, yo. You gotta get it in. The one in focus and testing, obviously it's local. It's in Calabasas. I gotta drive there. But the 3 Zoom ones, all their facilities are on the East Coast. But the focus group is through Zoom. It's an online Zoom focus group. It doesn't matter where you are as long as you're in the USA. So this week, I booked 7 focus groups. The following week, I have 1 focus group so far. And an acting gig, I booked an indie film. I gotta send them my COVID test results. As the days go by, I'm probably gonna book another one that week. So grind mode. And I gotta list more items on eBay and Poshmark. Let's go! Grind mode! Gotta grind! Let's go! Keep going! Non-stop! And I gotta edit my YouTube video. Talk about non-stop grind mode. Let's go! They just sent me the confirmation. So it's confirmed for Wednesday the 17th. That's focus groups, folks. I'm telling you, like, the acting business is hella slow right now. I've had a few auditions. I've been through Zoom and video auditions. Haven't been to a casting studio since the start of the pandemic. It's been literally a year since I've had like an in-person audition. It's been all through Zoom and video auditions. So I've just been grinding focus groups, flipping stuff on eBay, Poshmark, Amazon FBA, just focusing on social media. That's pretty much all I've been doing. Fuck it. grind mode, right? Oh, and I'm collecting EDD too. Plus an extra $300 federal stimulus boost. $600 a week off EDD. While I do all my other grinds, I'm just collecting unemployment. And the good thing about focus groups, they pay you cash. So there's no 1099, there's no tax documents. Technically, you're not an employee, nor are you an independent contractor with them. They're just compensating you for your time. Like, you're doing them a favor by doing these surveys, so they pay you cash. I can still collect unemployment. This income is unreported, so it's technically a gift. Uncle Sam does not need to know about this.